What is going on, friends and family? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mod's Garage, and I have my beautiful wife, Mommy.Mopar, Samantha Salazar. So anyways, in this video, just like you guys saw in the thumbnail, we are going to be working on the high tide, low tide, orange Little Caesars Home Depot truck, the Jeep Gladiator 2025, the one we just got. So we got a bunch of stuff, guys. Check this out. Of course, we're basically sponsored by Amazon. She's going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to be taking a look at a bunch of goodies. We're going to do as much as we can because we have a lot of work. So, what do we got?
All right, so we got some lights because we want to be brighter. We don't want the orangey boys.
Yeah, because the factory lights on that Jeep Gladiator are horrible.
All right, I'm excited. I'm an organizing girly, so wherever I can fit my stuff, I'm gonna put my stuff. Which there is another organizer that I want to buy, but this goes into where the center console is, like down below. So this is like a little organizer thingy, and you can put your phone, your keys. It's really cool. Once you see it all put together, you're gonna be like, oh, gotta get it.
It's like it goes like around the shifter.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be amazing.
So these are the lights.
And those are like the light, really bright LED lights.
This one is the sill guard. So when our kids get up in the Jeep, when we pick them up from school, they're not, they're not gonna be, they got tractions. They're not gonna be slipping and busting their ass. But,
yeah, I saw that, and also I hate, it's just when you got little kids, they like to scuff everything up. They don't know any better. It's not their fault, but they'll go in there and they'll scuff everything up. So these are gonna basically protect the orange paint and help them get up and down a lot faster. So it's gonna be pretty cool.
Ooh, all rugged.
They look good.
They do.
They look like they're strong, like they're rubber too. They're not just plastic. They're like a good textured rubber.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool.
They look really good.
We got that. What else we got? Oh, this one's gonna be
leveling kit, guys.
So we got the Rough Country suspension system 2.5-inch leveling kit for the Jeep Gladiator. That's gonna be in a whole separate video, but I mean I can crack it open real quick and kind of take a peek. This I'm excited for. It's got the shock extenders, and it's got the actual little spacers, Rough Country spacers. And it's got another spacer, or it's a bump stop. This is actually the better bump stop, and it's got these heavy duty, better than factory sway bar links to help. And then of course the hardware. So that's gonna be a whole other video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install that stuff. So I'm super stoked on that. What else we got? Oh, yep, this is a little drop-in kit and air filter. I really wanted to get this. I don't care for mods and performance on that truck. The only thing I'm going to do is a little oil catch can, which I already have that. And then I'm going to put this in there to protect the engine and let everything breathe a lot better. Because, guys, I ain't going to lie, that little V6 is struggling. I want to make sure everything's as good as possible. Oh my, I'm not that strong myself. So, yeah, this is going to be cool. Little drop-in filter. And then, what's that?
I don't know.
We just ordered a bunch of stuff.
My husband, Manny,
we decided to get a bunch of stuff together collectively.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm finding out now.
Together we did this.
Together with his monies, did it.
Papa Dios monies. That's God's money.
God, it's right. I don't open this one, guys.
That's what
Look it. Oh shit. This is the mirrors.
Yeah.
So when we take our doors off, like I said in the previous video, because I'm a dummy, these mirrors attach to, what are they attached to? Which part?
Oh shit,
like
handles.
The pillar? Oh, the ocean handles.
Those are super
and they got marker. Look at that.
That cracked? Oh, it's the color.
It's the film.
That scared me. But yeah, these are cool, y'all. Look at this.
Yeah, got the little hardware, little Allen keys. Put it on there.
Really cool.
They're really cool. They're really durable. Like these are heavy duty. I mean, this, yeah. I like this
because it protects it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really cool. I like it. I like it.
And not bad for the price, guys. Everything you're looking at, it was very, very inexpensive. The Jeep stuff has been out for quite a while, so everything is not too bad in pricing. So we're super stoked.
Also, what I just did, everything that you're seeing and on previous videos, we have an Amazon storefront now. So I'm gonna link them in every single video. If you see something for the Jeep that you're like, I want that. I want that exact one that they have. Boom.
Just click the link.
It'll take you to the Amazon storefront, and then
everything you see here, it's gonna be on there.
Yep. Also for the Durango, the Escalade, everything that we have, I'm just gonna be linking and linking and linking. They're gonna be in different things, so they'll have a Gladiator section, a Durango section, you know, Hellcat section, whatever, an air ride section, all of the sections. So let's get to it.
Right behind you, we have the mats. We're gonna be throwing those in there real quick. I can't wait. Because it's not just the mat, it also has the bed mat. See, I didn't want to rhino line it yet or get the bed covering, the spray on bed liner. I didn't want to do that yet because I ain't gonna lie, guys, we're just trying to be a little more flexible with our money, only because we just spent a lot of money on rims and tires for this thing.
Yeah.
So,
But when you see
the setup
that we got,
goodness.
y'all, we weren't gonna get another one.
Some of y'all,
he showed me one, and I was like, no.
That's it.
That's the one. Oh my lordy. Okay, we're gonna switch.
Let's switch.
Them things are heavy.
These are the floor mats. We also have the little rollable tunnel cover. And I'll explain why we got that one over the hardtop.
Manny is wrapping this Mustang. We're doing a satin black wrap. Just finished the bumper. A little sneak peek. Little sneak peek. We're gonna finish up that Volkswagen today out there, and we have this Mitsubishi that got a few things we gotta do to it.
Super stoked. So, you know what? I think I'm just gonna put on that little rubber thingy on here first. Because like I said, the floor mats thing, it came as a combo kit, so it's got like a bed thing cover thing. I don't even know what it's called, but it's a thing. This is cool.
It's really nice. Protects the bed. We just gotta put it underneath here probably. Yep.
I'm pretty sure after it warms up, it'll level out really nice.
Dang, I like it. I like it.
All right, let's put the floor mats in.
Not bad, guys. Not bad.
Guys, check this out. They're legit. They hug everything perfectly. Like, we're on the seam. It's got the little buttons, little tab. Make sure everything is good. I'm super stoked. I love the way they look. Oh yeah. That looks great.
Sweet.
Wow. Looks great. Fits nice.
Love it.
Got really good coverage. It even has a little hole. So if you want to unplug it and kind of drain it, you could do that. If I'm not mistaken, guys, these carpets come all the way out. There's a bunch of little buttons and you can pop them all out and you can take it all the way out.
So this goes here?
Yep. Perfect. Wow. Oh, right. Yeah, I got mine. But that is nice, y'all.
I like it. I like it.
Little phone slots, you know.
I will say the only thing about this Jeep that I realized is kind of like crazy. This is so close in reference if you're using this that once you put it in park, sometimes you get jammed up. But that's the only thing that I'm kind of like, ooh, whatever.
They could have got rid of the handbrake. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
They could have put that foot one just like any other car, which I don't understand. Like, you got a sports car, but they don't put the handbrake. Like, Chargers, Challengers don't have a handbrake, which I see why, because of more space. But they should have done that with the Jeep.
I agree.
But all you guys watching this video who have the Jeep forever are probably criticizing us. But you know what? We love our Jeep, and we're just gonna keep on keeping on. This looks really good. Good. I love it. So this is what's cool about the Jeeps. A lot of you guys don't know this. There's no hood latch. It literally just pops off like this, which to me is a little scary because anybody could just mess around with your engine. I'm pretty sure there's a mod out there that will prevent that from happening, but you know what's very crazy? That people fit Hellcat engines in this, and it already looks complicated and extremely tight. Now I see why people charge 35 grand to put a 5.7 in this thing. Comes with warranty. So, put this back up, and then we're gonna work on the tonneau cover real quick, and then we're gonna see how everything looks and go from there. Forgot, it doesn't latch. There's no latching thing. It's cool.
So why didn't you want to get the hard top tonneau cover?
Okay, because from what I've been reading lately, it limits the capabilities. It limits everything. So like when you have the soft top, you can literally roll it up however you want, and it rolls up all the way to the end. When you have the hard top,
you're missing about a foot of space.
It'll fold again, but then it stops, and then it's just, you have this big gap. You can't really like lock it in. At least that's the ones that I've seen. I don't really care for the retractable ones because again, it takes also a foot of your bed space. We want to maximize the bed because this is going to be our new little house pickup truck. You know, run the lows, pick up a few things, maybe a microwave, you know, and that's it. But we're trying to maximize the bed space because the other day we took it to the beach, and then I noticed, man, if we did put that tonneau cover, we wouldn't have any much space. I mean, it's still a decent sized bed. If I'm not mistaken, it's like 5 feet, a little bigger than 5 feet. The small bed on the Rams are 5.7. That 7 inches ain't gonna change anything dramatically. Now, the width is true, it is smaller, but it's just enough for what we want. We got ratchet straps, and if not, we'll figure it out. We still got the Durango Hellcat, which that has a little more space too, so. Let's go put this tonneau cover on, let's check it out, and then we'll go from there.
Alright guys, so far, put the seal down first. Now we're working on the side rails.
Dude, I'm super stoked. We just finished installing this leather pleather
Tonneau
cover, and I love it because check this out, y'all. You can do it yourself. I was a little skeptical, but I saw the reviews and everybody was talking great about it. It's got these little straps, kind of go over it, and you can lock it in place. But what I love about it is, like I said earlier, you can utilize the entire bed whenever you want. You don't have to sacrifice anything. When I checked out the reviews on this tonneau cover, everybody kept saying that it withstands hurricanes, it withstands blizzards, years of service. I mean, apparently this came out in 2020 when the Gladiator first came out, and it's been proven. I think it was like a couple $100 or something like that. I think 170, 180. But I'm super happy because, like, again, look, all the way. All you gotta do is basically kind of tug it, lay it down, put it in these channels, and then one side at a time. Oh, look at that. A little bit of Velcroing. Keep everything nice and tight. Apparently it's like super sealed, but it doesn't have any issues at all. Got the little rubber seal right here for the actual gate, and it's super sealed. You know it's sealed when it has like, it just pushes air into the top of the leather pleather thingy. But man, it's just little mods like this that for that price make me super excited. So tell me, what do you think? I know you said your dad used to have these, right?
Yeah, well, my dad had a Nissan Titan when he had one, and it held up. I mean, not the same brand, but the same idea, the same concept. So it looks really good. I like it. The other mod that we forgot to talk about was we are getting rid of this.
Oh yeah.
This little Jeep thing. Oh, she's coming off.
We got the Gladiator one.
Yes.
And what we're probably gonna do is before we install it, we're gonna paint them gold.
That would be nice.
Because might match something later down the road. Just might match something. Yeah, super happy. Can't wait to continue with this. In other news, got some work. Got this V6 2007 Mitsubishi something Outlander, I think it is. We have this Mustang 2025 brand new four-cylinder, little turbo eco boost. I forget. It's got the little eco boost right now. We just finished wrapping the bumper.
It's funny because I showed them all this earlier.
She already showed you guys this. So, and we got the Volkswagen CC over there. But man, I'm super stoked about the Gladiator. It's the little mods like that make everything come together, come to life. I can't wait to get the bulbs in there so we can see how they look at night. And we're gonna do the little leveling kit from Rough Country. We will get the corner lights. I can't stand those little corner lights, are ugly. I wanna get the LED ones. But man, super happy. If you guys have any questions, again, get on my Instagram, manny.mopar, or actually go down in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And for all my Jeep people, please give us a little bit of time to understand how these things are. The reason why I say that is because we're really into Hellcats. That's all we do is build Hellcats and scat packs, and that's all we work on. So this is a new found territory for us, and we are super excited. We never thought that we'd like it this much. With that being said, Manny Mods Garage. Yeah.